Hi, I'm Virginia Dawn with Royal LePage Locations North, and I'd like to introduce you to my new listing at 158-425 7th Line in Meaford. This is a just over 6-acre building lot, perfect for your dream home. Recently, there's been a new shed built in 2021. This lot features forest in the back, apple trees in the front, a stream running to this one side, and a pond perfect to flood and get your skating rink ready in the winter. Let's take a look.